You might call me crazy, but today we're testing a theory here, guys. We're seeing if we really need it back to Sous Vide. And yeah, today we are testing that theory, and I'll tell you why. I don't have any vacuum sealer bags here at home. I have the vacuum sealer machine, but I don't have the bags. So I have to go out and buy it, and I didn't really have the time to do that. I was checking online if it's possible to do it because I really want to eat these beautiful steaks today. If it was possible to be done without any bag, and nobody have any information about it, I haven't done this. I'm going to be doing this test with you guys here, so I have no idea. But I thought about it. I searched online. Nobody talks about that. I'm assuming why. But the thing is, if nobody tested, how would you even know? If you ever get in a situation like that, now you will know, because I'm gonna make these babies, these two beautiful steaks, in a sous vide. One is gonna be with the bag, the other one is gonna be with no bag, and let's see what happens.
For the only bag that we're going to be using today, we're going to use this 1 gallon Ziploc bag. And if you're going to do the same thing with your sous vide, you have to make sure all the bags that you're using are BPA free and microwave safe. This bag can go all the way until 150 degrees, which is way more than we're going to use today. And that is because we're going to be cooking these babies at 130 degrees for an hour and a half.
All right, so here we have these two beautiful steaks. We're gonna get one of them. They are pretty similar, both of them. As you can see, the marbling into these babies is amazing. They are looking very nice, very marble. This is about a good prime that I got from Meat the Butchers, and as you can see, they are beautiful steaks. So let's get this steak here. Let's call it number B, and let's put it in a bag. And then the other one is gonna go just straight in and see what's up. So here we have the bag. As you can see, it's just a regular bag. All you have to do with this will work perfectly on sous vide. You don't have to be worried about vacuum sealing and all that stuff. Vacuum sealing, of course, is better. But if you don't have a bag, you can use one of these. All you have to do is make sure you take as much air as possible out of the bag. And you get the steak, put it in the water, the same water, push it down, make sure it's closing well, and there you have your steak. You ready for this one? Oh my goodness, I'm scared. Let's put it in, boom! It went all the way down perfectly okay. That's a nice looking steak right there. And we're gonna leave it in here for an hour and a half and see what happens. All right, guys, it's been an hour and a half. It's looking kind of weird. We're gonna take it out right now and take a look at it. Let's go. As you can imagine, it's really tender and it looks white, really white. And this one is looking like any other sous vide steak we make. Let me put this thing on the side. So here we have it. Let's take the other one out, so we can compare how one looks compared to the other. All right, we have them both here. Well, I'm pretty sure you can see the difference. The one that was out of the bag is pretty white. The one that was in the bag has the color that we always have on sous vide. It didn't make any difference. This one is really white and it feels really tender. It looks and feels really tender. But the tenderness is kind of the same on both. I'm pretty sure they are cooked at the same temperature and everything, so they should be the same. I don't know what to expect, to tell you the truth. We're just gonna pat these babies out. We're gonna seal them up and see if this is really different. I don't want to even show it to my wife the way it is right now because it looks pale and weird. I don't think it's too bad at all. I can still see the fat in there, and I can still see pretty much everything. So I mean, it's a matter of perspective. As you can see, the color is very different. I don't know if it makes any difference when we cook it. So let's do this. Let's put some spices on it and let's grill this baby up. Let's go. All right, Miss Ninja, we have another experiment today.
What we got here, because to me they look the same.
They look amazing, isn't it?
The same and amazing.
They look really good, guys. I mean, I'm not going to tell you the experiment. You have to try them first. But let's say that this is number A and that is number B.
Okay.
Let's put it that way.
Okay, simple.
Man, this is looking really similar. They're not supposed to look similar, to tell you the truth.
Oh, really?
But they're looking really similar. And when I cut them, they were really, really tender. We don't know. Let's give it a good try, guys. This is the first time we do this. I've been thinking about this for a month already, but I never tried. And this is the first time we did try it with you guys. So, I mean, let's give it a try.
Let's do it.
Let me have the knife over there.
Oh my God, it's so windy today, right?
So windy.
And it's cold.
It's driving me
To
crazy.
me, it's cold.
We had number A here.
Number A.
Let's go for it. Wow.
Super
Wow.
good. Super soft, super juicy, flavorful. The charcoal. It has everything.
Talk about the flavor, Miss Ninja.
I am talking about the flavor.
Miss Ninja, that was a good steak.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, guys.
It is.
That was a good steak, guys. All right, let's go for number B. All right, Miss Ninja, we got number B here.
So number B.
All right, let's try number B and let's see how you like it.
I'm ready.
Wow.
Oh.
Mm.
Oh wow.
Wow.
This is a hard one.
Guys, number B is good, man. I don't know. I don't know what to decide in here. What do you think is better?
To me,
Yeah.
both are the same.
Both are the same?
I don't feel no difference. Both of them tender, flavorful. The charcoal hits you right there. I mean, what was the experiment? Because
Well, let me explain to you. We had number A and number B. Both of the steaks are sous vide.
okay,
We cook them in the sous vide at 130 degrees for 1 hour and a half. Then after that, we just sear them up, and they both look amazing. The only difference is number B was in the bag, exactly as we always do sous vide.
okay.
Number A was just in the water.
No way.
And it was delicious, guys. I mean,
That's
guys,
crazy.
these two steaks, there is no difference at all on them. They are
difference.
both delicious, brother.
And sisters.
These are good steaks. I mean,
good.
I don't recommend it to do it. To tell you the truth, the water got really dirty. I had to throw it away. But it's possible. It's not a big deal to make it. It tastes amazing. It's super tender. They are both exactly the same thing. I know when I took them out of the water, Number 8 was looking weird, guys. It was white.
I know, because I wasn't even here, so.
But, you know, after you sear them, it's perfect. I mean, you just put a few spices on them, sear them up really well.
Same thing.
And it was perfect. It's amazing. Both of them are great. You saw when I caught them. Exactly the same thing. Look at the juices on the table. Rendered really nice. Everything is exactly the same. I don't see any difference here.
So we can save the planet with number 8?
You can, if you don't have any bag, man, and you want to cook that sous vide,
No more plastic.
don't worry about it. Drop it in there, man, and it's gonna cook perfectly. I don't know if you're gonna go for 6 hours, 24 hours, things like that. I leave it for you guys to test. But an hour and a half, 2 hours, perfect.
No problem.
Perfect.
Unbelievable.
But guys, as you can see, the results here are amazing. I like them both. Both of them are amazing. There is no difference at all.
Same thing.
But we have something else going on today, guys.
Yes.
Today we have to select the winner for the giveaway of this beautiful Kanchan knife set. So today, guys, we're gonna find the winner.
All
Let
right.
me get my computer. Let's go for it. And let's go to the YouTube video selector. The winner is gonna randomly get somebody, and that's gonna be the person that wins. So from the comments, guys, everybody that left the comment in there is into this for a win. So let's see who's the winner.
Good luck to everybody.
Yeah. All right, so here we are. Let me put the video there.
I'm so
Get the
excited for you
YouTube
guys.
comments. He's getting the comments. 321 comments.
Okay.
Now we go down a little bit here and we start selecting the random winner. Who is it? We have it. Kazuki Slice. You're the winner, man. That's a perfect name for
I
it.
know.
Slice. Guys, the only thing that you have to be sure is that you live in the continental US so we can send this to you. But Kazuki Slice, you are the winner. Hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram name is salty.tells.channel. Hit me up in there. Send me a message. And we're going to go from there, brother. Congratulations to you, Kazuki. That is an amazing set of knives that you're going to get, brother.
Yes, it's gorgeous.
Today we're not gonna have the shout out share because it's gonna be a long video. Instead of that, we have the giveaway.
Yes.
And we have more giveaway coming up, guys. I have a few guys, real good friend of mine, trying to get into it and send me stuff to send to you guys and everything. So it's gonna be a lot of fun in the near future. I hope you like the video, guys. If you like it, please hit us with a like.
Lots and lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you like experiments and craziness and grilling and smoking and all that stuff, go for it, man. You're going to have a lot of fun with it.
And don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified every single Tuesdays and Fridays every time we upload a new video. For who? For you.
For you guys. And if you have any comment, I know you're going to have a lot of comments about this one. Put it down in the comments, guys. Don't worry about it. We answer all the comments. We read all the comments and we try to answer all the comments. So this is all for today, guys. But remember that I love you.
Mwah. We love you.